Be 2 weeks ready. Food Plan, Activity 13. Follow along on Toolkit, page 61.
Activity 13, Pizza Box Solar Oven Cooking. Goal: try a fun new way to explore alternative cooking. Try making your own solar oven using a pizza box, aluminum foil, and plastic wrap. Solar ovens are a low-cost, ecologically friendly way to cook. In this activity from Scientific American, you'll learn how to build a simple solar oven from a pizza box to gather the sun's rays and cook. Consider other similarly shaped boxes if you don't have a pizza box. Watch the YouTube video at www.youtube.com/watch. Tips. The weather outside can significantly affect how well a solar oven performs. How well does it cook on a warm day versus a very hot day? What about a sunny day versus an overcast one? See the food plan on page 9 for guidance on food safety and sanitation. Food canning and preserving. Canning for longer-term food preservation is a traditional method of food storage. However, special equipment is required and great care must be taken when canning foods to avoid botulism and other bacteria that can make food unsafe to eat. Refer to the resources provided in this module and follow all instructions carefully. Canning is not for beginners or those without proper equipment. It's always helpful to try this method of food preservation first under the guidance of someone who has done it before successfully. It can be a fun thing to do together as you learn. Share with your neighbors. One of the best things about having an abundant harvest or food stash is sharing your bounty with friends and neighbors. It's also a great way to meet and get to know them. Support your local food bank. Once you've taken care of your needs, those in your household and any neighbors, consider supporting your local food bank. These amazing organizations help historically marginalized and underserved communities and are also great partners during disasters. You can donate food, money, or time. All are excellent ways to give back to your community. Someday it could be you who needs their services in the wake of a disaster. Emergency food prep shopping tips. Plan to store at least a 1-week supply of non-perishable food. Choose healthy foods your household will eat. Remember special dietary needs. Avoid salty foods that will make you thirsty. Use disposable or inexpensive dinnerware and utensils that are easy to clean with minimal water. Non-breakable is advised. Stock a non-electric can opener. Have household bleach to disinfect cans. Include paper towels, sponges, and old towels or rags. Stock a variety of alternative fuel sources to use when preparing food, such as gel fuel for camp stoves, charcoal for barbecues, propane for gas grills, or wood for fire pits or chimeneas. Stock hot pads or oven mitts for hot item handling and heavy gloves to handle wood or campfires and dry ice. Consider food-grade moisture absorber packs for food storage.